2016 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, keyless start, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.